From today's program, I've really learned a lot of things. I've really learned how to run a computer. I've learned how to clean up the computer if the computer is dirty, and also I've learned about the software. I've learned about the RAM of the computer, and I'm really so happy to be here.
From today's program, I've learned a lot, and it was such a joyful experience. I've learned how to clean up a computer and how to create a folder, and it's really such a joyful experience.
And in today's program, I've learned a lot. For instance, I've learned how to clean the computer, and I've learned how to create a folder in a computer, and I've learned how to run up a computer. And I'm really so happy for today's program. Thanks.
I have learned how to open a computer and to clean, and I know parts inside the computer.
I'm really very happy because I have learned a lot. I have learned how to clean up a computer, how to open it, how to see what is wrong with it and solve the problem. And I've learned how to create a folder, and I've known some important systems inside the computer. That is, one of them is a RAM and hard drive, and there's a power supply. So I feel so happy and impressive today because I've learned a lot of things that I did not know.
I'm really so grateful for all you have given us today, the knowledge. I learned more about computer system, the programs inside the computer, how to clean a computer, and I know the function of hard drivers and RAMs. I'm so grateful, as it is so rare to find such an opportunities that you have brought to us.
I'm very happy, by the way, to be part of this program. So for the 4 days tour I've been to, I'm now able to troubleshoot, and also through this tour I've learned also to figure out some computer challenges and how to fix them. For example, we found some faulty RAMs, faulty drives, and many other things. So through this we could be able also to fix them as we found the problems.
I'm so glad to be part of Google's ICT initiative. In these 4 days of training or workshops, I've learned a lot. As I have said, in the first day I've learned how to see the RAMs physically and how to repair it in its place. Today I've learned that sometimes when you connect the monitors to the CPUs, sometimes there is no communication between them. That is because the RAM has a problem, or sometimes there is a small battery, maybe it is not placed well in its place.
I'm actually very excited for the repair tour. We went to different schools, and then we worked on different computer issues ranging from hardware to software. We gave in different recommendations to the teachers, and then one common problem we identified: most of the teachers are not doing maintenance in their computer labs. They're not cleaning the computers. So we recommended regular cleaning so that all the hardwares and softwares are kept intact. And then another amazing thing that I experienced during this repair cafe, we are able to bring dead computers to life, and I'm happy about it. We are able to resolve software problems, hardware problems. We identified faulty RAM chips, faulty RAM slots, and then we are able to replace them. And then we left the schools happy. We learned from the students. We taught the students what to do. We taught graduates. It was a very amazing experience, and I'm looking forward to future repair tours like this.